Georgers, it's me, it's Jeremy. Welcome to the City of Love, Paris. Okay, Georgers, quick story time. So, galing tayo Switzerland and it's already my third day here. Nag-trend ako from Switzerland to Paris and then stayed there for 2 days. Did some active rest. When I say active rest, kasi nag-edit ako ng content, nag-shoot ako ng content. And I also took that time to rest my physical body, pero yung utak ko gumagana pa din. So, kung akala nyo madali lang buhay kapag gumagawa ng content, mahirap din po, no? So, ikaw mag-edit, ikaw lahat. But you always find time to make it enjoyable. Anyway, so nandito nga tayo sa City of Love. And speaking of love, dadating yung mga mahal natin sa buhay and hinihintay natin silang dumating. Bukas dadating sila, no? So we have the whole day to ourselves. Ngayon lang ako nakaikot sa pangatlong araw na to. Ngayon lang nakaikot. Hinahanap ko ngayon yung ano sa Pondiena tayo ngayon and hinahanap ko yung nagpipicture siya tapos gagawin niya parang newspaper yung photo mo. Hanapin ko lang kung nasan siya dito, ha? Ayan, Georgers, nahanap natin siya. Hi. Okay, I can. How do I go across that side?
Across like this, or you can across like this.
How much is it?
It's not fixed price, but you can ask the colleague.
Okay, thank you. So from Pontiena, we went to Trocadero Gardens here in Trocadero. It's right across the Eiffel Tower still. I'm gonna check out something I've never visited before, which is the Paris Aquarium. 5 minutes away from here. So we made it to the Paris Aquarium. Ay, close ba? Close yata. Check natin. Sarado siya, Georgers. Baka nag-yelo yung mga isda. Tambay muna tayo dito sa parang Christmas market dito sa labas ng Paris Aquarium. So we're here in Trocadero right now. This is the usual spot, so mas maraming turista dito. So if you really want a good unobstructed view na hindi usual Trocadero side ng Eiffel Tower or view ng Eiffel Tower, try to look for mga bridges tulad ng ginawa natin kanina, side streets. So, although okay rin naman dito. Kahit naman saan sa Paris parang postcard. Pero you just have to find a spot na hindi masyado matao. So we just arrived here in Palais de Tokyo or Tokyo Palace. Yeah, rough translation lang yun. Inhulaan ko lang. So we're inside Palais de Tokyo. Ay, nahanap natin yung photo automat. Yun talaga yung pinunta ko dito. Because there's another one. Kaso malayo, 30 minutes away from here. Yun yung mas sikat. But nung ni-research ko, walking distance, mga 10 minutes away lang to sa Trocadero. So ito. It takes vintage photos as well. So today, I guess it's vintage photo day. 5 euros or 4 photos. Pero tumatanggap din sila ng credit or debit. Yeah, we just finished. We're waiting for our photos. 4 minutes. So after ng lakaran, masarap humiga. Buti lang dito mayroong mga ganitong upuan where you can fully rest your back. So we just arrived Champs-Élysées, roughly around 11-minute walk from Palais de Tokyo. So you can see Arc de Triomphe from here. So lapit pa tayo. I've been here I think 4 or 5 times already, or 6 even. And ewan ko, pupuntahan mo pa rin talaga Alam mo yun, ganda rin ng weather, sarap maglakad. A bit damp, but the weather's nice. Pwede kang hindi mag-gloves. Welcome to Arc de Triomphe. Kalalakad, pagod na rin tayo. So I decided to take an Uber and bumalik sa hotel. And then naghanap ako ng ramen na malapit sa hotel para strategic, diba? So we're passing through Plaza Bordeaux, if I'm not mistaken. It's this near. Ang ganda Ramdam mong luma na plaza with different stores for art, food, may bistro, may bar, may cafe, antique shops even, bistros. We're looking for the ramen place. Sabi it's somewhere here daw This one, ito, Neko Ramen. Finally, my gosh. 2 araw ko na kinikrave to Okay, so kakalis natin ng hotel. Parating na sila. So, ang sabi ko, pupunta ako ng isang museum. Pero hindi nila alam. Surpresahin ko na sila sa airport. Susundo ako. Eh, may bitbit akong chocolate ngayon. Galing Zermatt. And naghahanap na lang ako ng flower shop malapit para full experience yung salubong. I found one here. So, roses and chocolates. Check. Book na tayo ng Uber. Let's go! Just got here in the airport, Terminal 2E. Makabang tayo. First time ko sumalubong, by the way, sa Paris. Kasi nasalubong ko na nanay ko before, somewhere.
Nasalubong pala si Mayor. O, Pak. O, alam mo yan, Vicky. O, walang kaganyan.
Hindi na sinasabi, hindi naman maganda.
Ganun dapat.
Miss you. Miss you. Tamay.
Hello. Hi, Tito. Sabi ko, hindi naman maganda yan. Twitter lang.
Miss you.
Tapos nagkaya pa ako kapal, hindi ka. Hindi naman maganda.
Pakulay ka? Ang ganda. I miss you.
Namayat ka,
Happy
mahal.
birthday.
Thank you.
Kuya.
Wala, batuhan na.
Oo.
Pwede na magkabatuhan.
So we're here in La Delice. I think this is Chinese takeout.
Panda Express.
Parang Panda Express. Galing talaga. Dapat sinasama ka talaga sa vlog. Hey! Parang may pinoprotektahan ka siya. Hey! What can you say?
I'm not ready.
Alright, so we're en route to Versailles. So we got a van from the hotel.
Hi guys, good morning.
So yung huling punta namin sa Versailles, maulan. So pagbalik namin, maulan pa din. Merci, monsieur.
Thank you so much. Merci.
Oh, good.
Hi. Say hi.
He's an actor.
Hi to our to the viewers.
Hello, guys.
Where are we?
Here is Versailles.
Yeah. We're in Palace of Versailles. Welcome to Versailles. Bye. What can you say about Versailles?
Wow, it's very good. It's nice.
Very good. Nice.
It's so cool.
So this is Horses of the Sun drinking. So that's Louis the 13th. So si King Louis the 14th, mahilig siya mag-collect ng mga sculpture. So nung term niya, marami siyang kinolect ng mga sculpture. Mas tumindi pa yung collection niya. Kasi ito sa mga collection niya. Zephyr at Flore. Ilan ba lahat ang mga King Louis? Ito King Louis the 16th na to. Ano yan? Can you say it in French, please? Ganun ka. Tayo, may entry ka pa? May entry ka dyan.
Wala naman guys. Just relax na.
Relax lang, chill lang.
Chill lang, chill.
So, sino yan?
Si Mariela Skinca noong 1747.
Anong nagawa
Siya
niya?
yung kauna-unahang nagburda ng damit niya na ganyang kalaking bordado. Tingnan.
Tapos,
Tapos yung aso nagtatak.
Bakit?
Sabi ng aso, galing ng amo ko, di ba? Kasi gumawa siya ng gumawa siya ng burda katulad ng balat niya. Ayan oh, pareho sila oh. It's someone that is really popular.
ang dami sinasabi.
You know, this is really...
Saan tayo?
We're inside the bedroom of King Versailles. Kasi di ba si King Versailles, nandun sa Cebu eh. Di ba sa Busay, sa Cebu.
Asawa ni ano yan? Ni Julius Babaw. Tintin Versailles.
Versailles.
When you're in a museum or when you're in a chateau, taking all this information, pwede siya maging information overload. So, in a way, some you can retain, some information you can retain, some it just slips away, no? So, ang talagang tumatatak sa'yo, yung visuals, no? So, etong visual na to, itong hallway na to, I think tatatak to sa utak ko ng matagal na panahon. Sobrang ganda.
Dito.
Saan?
Ha?
Saan puntahan ka?
Pupunta sa La Garden.
Garden of Memories. Cementeros. Cementeros pala. Welcome to Gardens of Versailles. So the gardens are located right across the Chateau of Versailles, which is this one. So a lot of people get overwhelmed with the size of Versailles, and they tend to go straight across from the chateau to the main garden. Hindi nila alam, pwede ka pumunta sa gilid dahil nandun yung mas magandang view ng garden from this point of view, from this vantage point. Ano, lamig na lamig siya. Tita Small.
Ginusto niya yan eh. Ginusto niya yung quote na yan.
Direct, saan tayo direct? Lamig. Ganda.
Ay, sabi ko sa James.
Sama sa vlog yan.
Oh my God.
So from Versailles we took an Uber. First time namin mag-Tesla. So here to Pontiena, foot of Eiffel. Say hi. Ayaw niya mag-hi.
Hello, mabuhay. Welcome to Philippine Airlines. Hub of the Philippines. Anyway, the always. And we're near the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
Yay!
Bonjour.
Ay, naku, nanalo na!
So I brought everyone to the newspaper print thing with this as their background. Mukhang nag-enjoy naman sila lahat. Ganda talagang remembrance to. Kaya kung pupunta kayo dito, alam nyo, puntahan nyo si Kuya. Very vintage, very romantic, very Paris. So a little pro tip, when you're in Paris, try to look for this restaurant, Castel Cafe. Yeah. Because right beside it, you get a nice view of the Eiffel Tower. Kita mo tayo nagka-picture. Or hanapin nyo tong Rue de Buenos Aires. And then you get this. Secret lang natin to ha, itong spot na to ha. Although hindi naman siya ganun ka-secret kasi parang dami na rin nagpipicture.
Si Jeremy ang mahilig yan sa
Kaya mo yan?
Yeah.
Grabe nga.
Basta pasta. Hi guys!
Hi.
We're in Castel Cafe.
Kaya kamay ko.
Ilaw na yung Eiffel. It's glimmering. Glimmering? Tama ba?
Sparkling.
Sparkling. Ayan. Hi. Shimmering. Glimmering. Yes, ano yun?
So pretty.
I know, like you. Uy. Ang gawa ng babaeng to.
It's like,
Ano?
it's giving.
So this is the Christmas market at the foot of Eiffel Tower. Ayan. So ito rin yung pinuntahan ko na isang araw. Pero night edition. Makita niyo may ilaw siya. May brioche. If you ask me, mas gusto ko yung mga Christmas market sa Switzerland. I think those are better. Hi! Hi! Hi!
Bye.
Hi! Bye!
Bye.
Hi! May Glühwein din dito or yung mulled wine. So kung di ka pa nakatikim ng Glühwein, mainit siya na wine na manamis-namis kasi may orange saka sugar and spices. Alam mo, ano, tinatawag ako ng Switzerland agad. Kakaalis ko pala ng Switzerland pero tinatawag na ako. Ito, puro cheese naman, oh. Bata. Ano kang ginagawa niyo?
Daniel, what did I teach you?
Charot lang, bay.
Social Bay. Bay.
Charot lang, bay. Charot
Okay,
lang, bay.
now tell me you're Filipino without telling me you're Filipino. Can you answer that?
I don't.
Dito Rico can answer. Champs-Élysées at night. Hi guys. Lahat ng kuha mo sa akin ganyan. Ano yan, John?
Hi!
Ikaw muna, take over.
Vlog take
Bibili ka
over.
na. Oh, sige.
Hi!
Say hi to the vlog, guys. Okay, bye.
Oh, look! Hi!
Where are we, Daniel?
Noah's Ark! What? There's
Noah's
an ark behind you, by the way.
No, art.
No, that's Arc de Triomphe.
Basta, we're in
That's also an arc.
Paris, baby! Yay! Sarangay!
Nasa lobby na kami where we all reconvene. Reconvene daw, oh. Welcome back, madam.
Hello, good morning.
Bonjour.
Aalisin ko na heat tech ko.
Hi! Bonjour!
Another day.
Lahat ng kuha mo sa akin talaga puro ganun. Hi! Hi! We're here at the Louvre. So some people go here mga roughly around 6-7 a.m. para makapture nila yung walang tao.
Pakalapit.
Tare-tare naman ni madam. Kami reklamo. What can you say about the Louvre? Tinawanan lang ako.
So amazing and majestic.
Wow! Ano dyan? Ham?
Ham pa yun.
What can you say about the Louvre, Tay?
Yeah.
Good. Très bien. What can you say about the Louvre?
I love you.
Habang nangungulangot. Ba yan? Magandang babae lang pero balahura din.
Maganda lang pero kadiri din.
I love you guys.
Uy, tara na,
What
dali
can you say
na.
about the Louvre? I love you.
Taray!
Ulitin ko yung sa'yo. What can you say about the Louvre? Natawan. Ayaw niya talaga sumagot. Kain muna. Mamaya na yan. Hans, pakigawa mo nga ng ano, ng collage na ano, puro ganun yung video na. Ng ganyan, puro ganyan. Gawa ka ha. Welcome to
Sacre.
Wow.
And John Wick is here.
Oo nga pala dito yun. on the right side of Sacré-Cœur, you'll find Momar. Marami mga boutique shops, souvenirs, galleries, restaurants, bars, even you see art pieces sometimes, creperias, marami. So, ikot lang kayo dito. Naalala ko marami rin pala dito yung nagpipaint. So, wala lang. Nakatawa. So there's a variation from Gustav Klimt, Alphonse Mucha, Picasso, Van Gogh. So dito sa Momar, you can have a photo of your eyes, your iris. You wanna see it here. It's my iris. Sean's iris. Christmas gift ko sa kanya. So after we do our iris photos, we're gonna head down to a spot where they filmed Emily in Paris. Actually, nauna na sila. Nahanap ko lang sila. Sana tama itong dinadaanan ko. Asa tayo ngayon?
We're in the restaurant of Emily, where they had you know, a scene from Emily in Paris, the La Maison Rose. Nagkikwentuhan silang magkaibigan na naka-checkered siya na pula o ano, di alam ko.
Alright, so Ashley has something to say about this place.
Hello! So, you know, this place was where Marie Antoinette and her husband was beheaded.
Right on that spot, right?
Yeah, somewhere there.
Or somewhere here.
Basta, here.
Hi, Daniel. Where are we?
At the Vendome.
Yeah. High five the camera. High five. Yeah. So how does it feel like now you're a legit status member?
Dito ba naman sure yun?
Oh.
Hello guys, I feel happy because I worked hard.
So this is dinner. Raraton San Honor. And that concludes our Paris adventure with Team Layas. And now we're en route to another destination. Dito tayo ngayon sa Gare de l'Est. We're taking the train to another destination. Tatay.
Hi, good morning.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Tay, Japan yan tayo.
Halo.
So, start ko yun sa prep and price. Wow, yung viewers. Dami niyan yan, ha? Huli.
Just arrived here in Strasbourg. Dito tayo magpapasko. This is the Christmas capital of France, if I'm not mistaken. Yan ang swerte kasi yung hotel natin, katapat lang ng train station. So, medyo hindi kami sinerte sa weather. Ay, maulan. Hey guys. Oo nga eh. Sige. Consistent. Gagawin natin ano yan. Collage.
Taxi cab.
Hi. Where are we?
Strasbourg.
Yeah. Nagsalita dun siya. Pasok tayo sa loob ng cathedral, Georges.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. Chari.
Oh, 무서웠어?
Ay, hindi nag-work. Kainis.
No! It will never work on me.
Sen böylesin. Sözü. Beni basan ya.
Made it to the Christmas village here in Strasbourg.
I'm ready to devour everything.
Yeah, mukhang totoong tree siya.
This is actually the authentic and real Christmas market of all time, Strasbourg, France.
Why is it authentic?
Because the tree is real and it's for real.
Mukhang may pa-concert po.
Ang maganda ako. Ang maganda ako.
Tatanungin ko pa lang, what can you say about Strasbourg?
Carry lang.
Ano ba yan?
Very mas magandang version ng Eastwood, ganyan. Ng mga 10 times, ganyan. Pag hindi 9 ha, 10. Ay, ito pala yung Sephora eh.
Those decorations sa bawat establishment, yung mga nasa taas, yung mga bears, makes all the difference. Gives you the feels talaga ng Pasko. Plus the weather.
This is, ano tawag dito?
Blue wine.
Vanjo.
Okay.
Vanjo.
Bon Jovi.
This is mulled wine or blue wine. In French, it's called
Bancho.
hot wine. Bancho. Mulled wine.
Banchokla. Bancho.
It's usually cooked with or simmered with some oranges, cinnamon, and star anise. It's really sweet and.
Banchokla.
Ano ang cheers ulit in French?
Kampay.
Kampay. Ano yan, kuya?
Yeah.
Kampay.
Pakita mo na nga.
Sante! 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 Sante!
Sante, Boncho.
So it's jus de orange.
Jus d'orange shop.
Yeah, what does it mean?
A hot orange juice with honey.
Oh. Sante!
Ante.
So sa kaiikot namin, may nakita kaming isang alley that leads you to a small, like a town square. It's nice to take photos here. So everyone's taking photos. Except Vicky. Everyone's taking photos except
I'm impressed.
I'm impressed. Nagsisimula na mag-illuminate yung mga streets. As it gets darker, it gets brighter too.
Dito friend ko from Paris, tumama siya sa amin.
Iniiwasan kung ano kasi naiiyak ako.
Pero
Kausap
ano,
nila si mama.
Pero Pinay na Pinay siya, huwag siya
Naiiyak ako.
kumasang ano siya, mukha siyang French, charot.
Ganon?
Barkada ko nung college city.
Merci. Merci beaucoup.
Apo.
Hi.
Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas muna tayo. Advance si tatay, advance.
Advance ko lang. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bon fête. Ito yung sikat na teddy bear house tayo. Yan. Opo. Restaurant din po siya. Kaso mag-open pa siya ng 6:30. It's only 5:09 pero ang dilim na. Ang tanong ko lang naman nilalaban kaya yung mga teddy bear na yan? O recycle pag Pasko? Time ko po siya nakita mag-photo. So are you impressed this
I'm
time?
impressed still. Mas maganda yun sa sa Sampaloc.
You be the judge. Maganda raw sa Sampaloc.
Ay talaga, gumagalaw kaya din sa Santa Cruz.
Bon fête from Strasbourg. Merry Christmas.
Wonderful adventure.
Oh yeah. Bonjour from Strasbourg. It's day 2 and we're heading to...
Colmar, guys.
Ay, ang ganda no. Ang ganda ng promise. Yeah,
Ay, wala na. Okay, stop.
Nakshi, yes, Nakshi. Yes. Kamusta mga Nakshi?
Ganun mo kayo shades mo. Kaya mo. Oh, so we have just arrived Colmar. Hello guys. Hello. Are you impressed?
No, unimpressed. So we're in Colmar, guys, and it's freezing cold, you know. Oh my god, I'm hungry.
Gutom ka na agad? So kung gusto mo na mas laid back na version ng Strasbourg, I suggest take the 30-minute train to Colmar and you'll have that feel, no? You'll get the feels na mas chill version ng Strasbourg. May Christmas markets pa rin, pero hindi ganun katao. Ito, sobrang cool. Iba-ibang mga susi, pero they're all made of chocolate.
Yung history ng bayan na ito
Walang ganun, walang ganun. Tama ka na. Walang ganun. Sige, tuloy mo.
Yung 1664 nandito yung mga French embassy.
Ha? Ano yung French embassy dito?
Nag-renovate sila dahil hindi nila nagustuhan yung architecture. Sabi nila, sige, ayusin natin to para
ano
yung
ba
mga bintana kasi
ano yung tawag sa architecture dati?
Architecture. Architecture.
Ano na ngayon?
New architecture.
Galing! So there's another Christmas market here. I think when you go to Colmar, ito na yung pinakasikat na photo spot, yung sa may bridge. Alam mo rin kasi mas maraming tao eh. So from La Petite Venice or the Little Venice, we move on to another food market area, Christmas market area. Ayan na naman po siya. Kain muna tayo. So may paanan ng Ferris wheel.
The line is so long, guys. What the heck?
Though Strasbourg is the Christmas capital of the world, of Europe. Parang maganda tong Colmar.
Parang mas maganda yung Colmar.
Hi everyone. Hi. Bili tayo ng risotto. Truffle risotto. Truffle risotto. Bonjour, truffle risotto please.
Truffle risotto, s'il vous plaît.
Yes. Ganda ng jacket natin.
Macho, no? Kasawa ka ko, disuotin ko na.
Ganda ng ilaw dito. Ang dramatic. So when you're in Colmar, hanapan niyo itong spot na to. Hindi ko alam kung saan, pero ito siya. Handaan niyo na lang. Marami nagbebenta ng vincho or hot wine. Hi.
So walking art over here.
Oh, no?
Walking art over here.
Walking art.
Guys, mag-comment kayo, i-bash niyo siya. Like, she needs some humbling down.
Comment,
Walang ikaka-bash dito, girl.
and ring the bell
Gusto
for
mo ba?
the bell.
Kasi siya nagkaroon siya ng humbling down. Malala.
Huwag niyo nang alamin.
And this is it, Judges and Jerry. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa ating Strasbourg and Colmar adventure. So on to the next one with Team Layas. We're heading to Italia. Au revoir and buongiorno since Italy na tayo. See you on my next vlog. Bye Strasbourg!